Imagine a vacuum that doesn't just clean, but detects dirt you can't see, tackles corners with edge power, and empties itself for up to 60 days. That's the Shark Detect Pro, smart, powerful, and built to keep your floors spotless without lifting a finger. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Shark Detect Pro self-empty robot vacuum. Odor neutralizer. 1 side brush. Want to grab the Shark Detect Pro self-empty robot vacuum? Just tap the link in the description below. Smart features? Uses advanced sensors to find hidden messes you might miss. It detects hidden debris and automatically boosts power while taking additional cleaning passes, giving you up to 50% better debris pickup for a deeper, spotless clean. Designed to tackle corners and baseboards with precision, it releases targeted airstreams that pull in debris from edges and hard-to-reach spots, ensuring a cleaner finish along walls where dust usually hides. Automatically senses the type of flooring beneath it. Whether it's carpet, tile, or hardwood, the Shark Detect Pro adjusts suction power for optimized cleaning performance on every surface. Technology lets the Shark Detect Pro adjust its height in real time. It lifts to climb over thresholds and rugs, then lowers back down to maintain close contact with hard floors for powerful, consistent cleaning. The Shark Matrix Plus is built with an anti-allergen complete seal system and a true HEPA filter in the XL base. It traps 99.97% of dust, pollen, and allergens down to 0.3 microns, keeping them locked away so they don't escape back into your air. Plus, automatically empties into its XL bagless base, holding up to 60 days of dirt and debris. With a built-in HEPA filter, it captures fine dust and allergens, and since it's bagless, you'll never need to buy replacement bags. 360-degree LiDAR vision quickly and accurately maps your home, so your robot can methodically clean, detecting and avoiding objects in its path, day or night, adapting to everyday changes in the home. Specifications. How to use. Remove all protective packaging, including the films covering the sensors and the robot's body. Attach the side brushes securely if they aren't pre-installed, and make sure the brush roll is properly seated. Attach the odor neutralizer and set up the base. Make sure the dirty water tank is empty and ready, and then place the robot on the base to begin charging before its first use. Place the self-empty base on a flat, hard surface against a wall, leaving enough space on each side and in front for the robot to dock smoothly. Connect the power cord securely and make sure the base is plugged into an outlet. Start an initial mapping run so your Shark Power Detect can scan and learn your home's layout. Using 360-degree LiDAR smart mapping navigation with a front 3D sensor, it quickly creates a detailed smart map that works in both bright and low light conditions. Once the map is saved in the Shark Clean app, you can personalize it by naming rooms, setting no-go zones, and choosing whether to vacuum. How to connect. Go to the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android and search for the Shark Clean. Download and install it on your smartphone. Make sure your phone has a stable internet connection before proceeding. Press the power button on top of the Shark Matrix robot vacuum until the indicator lights turn on. The robot will power up and be ready for setup. Open the Shark Clean app and create or log into your account. Then select Add a Robot and follow the on-screen instructions. When prompted, press and hold the dock/power and Wi-Fi button on your Shark Power Detect until the Wi-Fi light begins to blink, indicating it's ready to pair. The app will automatically detect your robot, complete the setup, and connect it to your internet. Afterward, you can start or stop cleaning, schedule runs, customize maps, set no-go zones, and monitor maintenance directly from your phone. Maintenance. Start by wiping the sensors, charging contacts, and navigation module with a dry cloth to remove dust. Next, open the brush roll cover, take out the brush, clean away any hair or debris, and then reinstall it. Detach the side brush to remove tangled hair or threads, wipe it clean, and snap it back on. Rotate the front and drive wheels while brushing away dirt. Empty the dust bin regularly. Tap the filter clean and wipe the bin with a dry cloth before reinstalling. Clean the charging contacts. Empty the bin once a month. Rinse the filters with cold water and let them dry for 48 hours before reinstalling. Press the button on the filter door at the side of the base, tilt, and lift it off, then remove the post motor filter. Tap it over a trash can, rinse with cold water only, and let it air dry fully before reinserting. For the odor neutralizer, remove it from the holder, wipe away any dust or debris, and replace it every 6 months for fresh performance. Clean monthly for best results. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Shark Detect Pro self-empty robot vacuum. See you in the next one.